In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat here on Roblox in 2026 without using an ID. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is obviously get on Roblox. Now, I'm going to use the web browser for this, but you can still do this on the app itself. Once you are on Roblox, though, go ahead and sign into your account and select the little settings gear and go ahead and navigate specifically into your settings. And once you are in your settings, on this left-hand sidebar, go ahead and select privacy and content restrictions. And then in here, you're going to see a content maturity section. Go ahead and choose that. Make sure this is at least set to moderate. It can be set to, restricted as well. But as long as you have it set to moderate, you should be good to go. From here, go up to the account info section on the left-hand sidebar. And you are going to need to add and verify a valid email address and a valid phone number. Just make sure that you fully verify both of them before moving on. And whenever that's done, go back to the privacy and content restrictions section and go ahead and select communication and go into voice chat. And once you are in voice chat, just toggle it from off to on and select enable if there's enable. If you do have that option for that, and that is literally it. Voice chat will now be enabled and you don't need to use an ID, just a verified phone number and a verified email. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.